It's slime time. We're back with another video with Gentry and Mary. Today we'll be making slime, and I'm going to give you a couple ingredients that you will need that you may have at home, okay? You will need glue.
Got it.
You will need contact solution.
Yes.
You will need baking soda.
Check.
You will need food coloring.
Check.
You will need a bowl. And last but not least, a spoon.
And we're ready.
All right. First, we're going to start off with adding glue to your bowl. You will need 6 ounces of glue.
And I'm going to eyeball this. But please use your measuring spoon.
Next, you will add 3 drops of food coloring to your glue. And you will mix that together.
Okay. Pretty.
Next, you will add a half of a tablespoon of baking soda to your mixture.
Okay. And again, I'm eyeballing it, but please have your measuring spoons or cup.
Make sure you stir real good.
And you can use your hand too.
Next, you will add about 1¼ tablespoons of contact solution.
Contact solution.
You'll stir for a minute. Next, you'll use your hands to mix.
Okay, let's get in here.
And you will keep mixing until you get to the consistency that you would like. If it's too watery, you can go ahead and add some more baking soda.
I think I'll
And
use a
some
little
glue.
bit more. And a little more glue. Okay.
And go ahead and let's mix, mix, mix.
Yeah. Oh, it's beginning to feel like slime, Mary.
Uh-oh.
And the blue is so pretty. Okay.
And there you have it. You have slime DIY at home. Have a good one. See you next time.
Enjoy.